This question asks you to use some of your other math skills to be able to answer the question. First, let's identify our information. The microwave has 50% efficiency. It has an input of 500 joules of energy to cook food. How much electrical energy is transferred as heat to the food? So that is our useful energy. From here, there's two different ways to do it. The first one would be to use what you'd normally do in maths, which is just finding a percentage of something. So we're trying to find 80% of 500. And to do that, we do 500 times by 0.8. So we're converting the percentage into a decimal. And that would give us our answer. Option number 2 would be to use the equation that we used earlier. That's efficiency equals useful energy divided by total energy. We already have the efficiency, so we're going to start putting those numbers in. So that's 0.8 equals the useful energy, we don't know, that's what we're trying to find out, divided by the total energy, which was 500. We then just do simple rearranging equations. So we're going to multiply both sides by 500. So we get 0.8 times 500 will give us our useful energy. And then we can just calculate that with our calculator. For the next part, we then need to draw a Sankey diagram. And so we just need to note down all of those different energies. So we've got the input energy, which was 500, the joules, the output, we've got the useful energy, which you calculated from your question before, and the wasted energy. To calculate the wasted energy, we need to do the total energy, 500, take away the useful energy. So you can see the questions are getting a little bit harder, and that will give us the amount of energy that was wasted. Remember, the useful energy plus the wasted energy has got to add up to 500 because that was the energy in, and the energy cannot be created, it can't be destroyed, it's all just going to go out as different forms of energy. Once you've done that, work out your scale. See, can it be divided by 100? If so, do that. Can it be divided by something bigger, something smaller? And what's going to work nicely with your scale?